bad apple. A person who causes trouble in a group. The bad apple kept breaking school rules. The company fired the bad apple. Salt of the earth. A very kind, honest, and good person. My grandfather is the salt of the earth. She is the salt of the earth and always helps others. Once in a blue moon. Very rarely. It snows here once in a blue moon. She visits her old school once in a blue moon. In a pickle. In a difficult situation or problem. I was in a pickle when I lost my wallet. We were in a pickle when the car stopped working. Nest egg. Money saved for the future. She saves part of her salary as a nest egg. The family started a nest egg for their children. Tough cookie. A strong person who can handle difficult situations. The firefighter is a tough cookie. She is a tough cookie and never gives up. Sour grapes. Not wanting something because you can't have it. She said the phone was ugly after she couldn't buy it. That's sour grapes. She called the job terrible because she didn't get hired. That's sour grapes. light at the end of the tunnel. A sign that a difficult situation is improving. The new job was a light at the end of the tunnel. The rain stopped, and we saw a light at the end of the tunnel. Beat a dead horse. To keep talking about or trying to fix something that cannot be changed. Stop beating a dead horse. The decision is final. He keeps beating a dead horse about last year's game.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!